welcome back to my channel, Life as Tiff Knows It. Tiff here bringing you an unboxing from none other than Diamond Art Club. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this kit for a while. Let's go ahead and get on into it. Okay, so I did start opening it. I went on autopilot and just thought I'd open it. I'm probably going to do one unboxing at a time, so you will get to see the other one I bought in a later video. So we're just randomly choosing which one we're looking at tonight. Oh yes. Oh my gosh, I forgot which one I ordered. So this one is Cloud Runner. I'm trying to get it. The lighting's not the best tonight, but let's see if I can get my, there we go. Maybe a little closer here. So it's Cloud Runner. It is this really pretty image of a boat or ship and in a storm. I thought it was really cool. I've wanted this one for a really long time. My mom ordered it for my birthday. So if you're familiar with Diamond Art Club, it has instructions on the back. It tells you kind of a guide, what's inside of it, all of the things. It's so funny. I was filming an unboxing earlier in the day and the sunlight really was like, it created this glare. So I thought, okay, I'm going to film at night, but I don't know. I don't think it's ever going to be perfect. I am jealous of YouTubers who have a really good setup because I have not discovered mine yet. It's okay though. So let's go ahead and get into this giant kit. So excited. After this, I'm going to be, or sometime this week, I'm going to be organizing my craft room. So I'll put it somewhere special. Whoops. Okay, let's go ahead and open it up. We'll get more statistics as we go along on like the size and the number of drills. Whoops, I'm shaking ya. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with just like the toolkit. So the toolkit, each one is different. I really like opening a gift because they're all different. It does always come with an applicator, a comfort grip, heart-shaped wax. That wax is really good. A tray, a stopper, multi-placer, cover minder. I wasn't sure if they were phasing those out or not. Washi tape and baggies. Okay. Let's see. So the tray is not that clear one. It's just a white tray. Let's see. Ooh, I like this kind of like maroon color squishy heart-shaped wax. Let's see what ooh, this washi tape's really pretty. So I don't know if you can see it, but it is like a flower design. That's really pretty. I like that. And then typical pen and then just some baggies. So nothing worth like getting everything out for. Just your standard stuff. That's the toolkit. And then, ooh, I'm knocking everything around here. Look out, Tiffany's here. So I like that Diamond Art Club has their branding on the plastic here. So I love the Do It Makes You Sparkle. Let's go ahead and open it up. It is heavy. It is a big kit, I can tell. I feel that the canvases are less soft. Like this one's less soft than what I am used to, and I am totally good with it. I do not like that texture. Let's see. Oh my goodness. It's a big one. So we got some inside here, a thank you for your purchase. Thank you 10 if you want 10% off. Always helpful. Black Friday around the corner. I don't know. Maybe I'll be releasing this on Black Friday. Who knows? Here's a better image of the kit. Oh my gosh, look how pretty that is. I just love that. Love it, love it, love it. So looks like it has 32 colors. It is a 65 centimeter by 52 centimeter. So those are the stats. Put the drills aside. Let me try to straighten it out. Ooh, look at how pretty it is. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's curling slightly. Good tip if your diamond painting is curling is just to roll it the opposite way. You likely know that if you're watching an unboxing, but just in case you're new to the craft, sometimes it's kind of hard to roll it. Come on. Don't fight me. Don't fight me. Just like a loose roll, I think it's going the opposite way, kind of get it to lay flat. We'll do the trick. Ah, yes. Okay. So, very much like a standard diamond painting from Diamond Art Club, for sure. I do see lots of color blocking in areas, like confetti color blocking. Like this is all one color, this is all one color, this is going to be a dream to work on. I'm really excited. And then all of this is 310, so it is truly black, which I do enjoy. Let's see, and it looks like there's going to be only one AB if I'm not mistaken. So it's going to be really, really cool. I'm excited. When we look at the drill field, it's super clear. You can kind of see here. It's pretty clear. Nothing wrong with that. Let's check the stickiness. Oh yeah, super sticky, per usual. I like the material of the plastic. Some plastic's really thick. So yeah, so far so good. Let's go ahead and look at the drills really quick. Lots of drills to look at for sure. I'm gonna try to keep the bag intact so we can put them back in here. I've learned there is a skill to getting diamond paintings back in the bags. So as we're looking at this, let's see how many do we have? I'll put this aside for now. I'll just show you here. We'll start on this end. How about that? So we got some really pretty blues. Oh yeah, you can definitely see it when I put it in the light like this. So I love that really dark, like vibrant blue, like a royal blue. We got off-white, definitely lots of blues. Here is our 1AB. It is like a peach color AB. So that will be cool. Let's see. So what symbol is that? That's number 1. So that's going to be going kind of sprinkled in right here a lot and up here. So that's really going to make a really pretty contrast. Got like a lavender. That's really pretty. Couple lavenders. Another really deep blue. Lots of deep blues here. 823, which is your darkest of dark blues. And then, holy moly, 310. 1, 2. Oh, only 2? What? I don't know if I believe that. I thought it was going to be so much more. More dark blues, and then 939. That's the really darkest of dark, not 823. 823 is a little bit lighter. So, loving that. And then we got one more set of diamonds. Let's see what we got here. So these ones are lower in quantity. So kind of some like, I guess, like between gray and off-white. Deeper purple, grays. And then lots of just kind of like, this is kind of like between a brown and a purple. Off-white. Gray, purple, blue, off-white blue, lots and lots and lots of purples here. It's gonna be so pretty. This is gonna shimmer like crazy. I'm so excited. I really like this color. It has like a hint of green on it. Then there's like super ultra white, light blue. Love these purples. If you are a purple fan, this is for you. And yeah, and just lots, that blue is really nice as well. So I'm very excited to get started on this kit. kit. It might be a little while. One thing I also like to share that definitely is a factor in people's likeness of diamond paintings is the symbols. So I don't off the bat see any symbols that look exactly like each other, which is great. There is, yeah, I mean, these dots are similar, but one is white contrasted with black and vice versa. So that's pretty easy to distinguish. I don't see any problems with this particular set of symbols. So as I'm losing my words, I'm going to let you guys go. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing. If you're liking what you're seeing, please consider subscribing. I do have some more unboxings that will be coming out soon. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. I will see you in another video. Bye.